Today, I found myself in Gbawe for a solemn moment, a moment that reminds us that life is truly a journey. This was not just a funeral. It was a gathering of destinies, memories, and brotherhood. For almost 20 years, I had not seen JQ, the sound engineer who worked on most of my music in the early days. You remember the Daniel Sijima? You remember the Antiaraba? He worked on all those songs, and the one you love most. Maune Irawe, Togbi Apande, Maune Irawe, Togbi Apande. Yes, he did those songs. Life took him to the States, but today he returned home, not for celebration, but to stand strong for his brother and for a friend.
Thank you. Anyway. Thank you, my father. Bigger too.
Gbawe Africa. Pharaoh. Come inside. How many years has he been?
You know, say that time now you got here.
We are all here to support Alodia of Alodia Promotion in the UK, who is working so hard shaping Afro entertainment over there in UK as he laid his beloved brother to rest. A brother, a friend, a son of the soil, returning to the ancestors. In moments like this, you realize that death does not only bring sorrow, it also brings people back together. Here, I met Sammy Flesh, the media and public relations manager for Shatta Wale and the Shatta movement. A simple handshake, but one filled with respect and shared understanding. Then came another surprise. A brother, who flew all the way from Canada just to attend this funeral. We hadn't seen each other in years, yet here we were, united again by love, loss, and loyalty. This is what funerals do in Africa. They remind us of where we come from. They reconnect broken timelines. They heal old distances. I also met a young man whose name echoes strongly in Ghana's music space, DJ Ashman. He's like a son to me. I call him son, he calls me daddy. This young man carries almost every Ghanaian song digitally. If you are looking for music in Ghana, they call him the music library. And yes, he had all my songs too. Special appreciation to my secretary, Vanessa Gifty Owusu. She handles the video with dedication and calm. Even though she is not a professional videographer, sometimes commitment matters more than titles.
I beg a close, nobody give me car for you, close. Until I get in it for you, I know go clean. Bring it. Hey! Talk to your mother, sir. Talk to your mother, sir. Oh, yeah. Give it to me. Give it to me. Give it back. Give it back.
Today, we did not come to mourn alone. We came to honor. We came to support the Humpati family. And we came to send a brother home. David Gbawe Humpati home to the ancestors. May his soul rest in perfect peace.